Feel at home tayo dito. Enjoy life at Bright FM 91.9. Friends tayo. Bright FM, nandito na. Mag-e-enjoy ka sa mga programa. Good vibes ang musikang taglay. Pagkakaibigan ang inaalay. Kabalen, halika na. Sa bright light sumama. Isang paniniwala. Sa Diyos nagtitiwala. 91.9 Bright FM 91.9. Friends tayo. Enjoy life. Friends tayo. Enjoy bright. Friends tayo. Enjoy bright. Friends tayo. Enjoy life. Friends tayo. Enjoy life. Friends tayo. Enjoy bright. Friends tayo. Bright FM. Friends tayo. Sa 91.9 Friends tayo. 91.9 Bright FM 91.9 Friends tayo. 91.9 Bright FM 91.9 Bright FM Friends tayo.
Sampung karagdagang kaalaman, 10 bagay na pag-uusapan. Brighten your day with our kwentuhan.
Kaya't samahan na natin ang ating mga
Ka-Bright Kadas!
Magandang hapon mga ka-Bright Kadas! This is your happy and snappy DJ, always keeping it classy, DJ Raffy. Handang-handa ng maghasik ng kasiyahan para sa ating mga ka-Bright Kadas along with my partner.
This is DJ Ayes speaking, spicing up your Friday afternoon with a tune. We are your radio DJs from Angeles University Foundation, and we are live now sa Archdiocese of San Fernando radio station, DWBL 91.9 Bright FM.
In collaboration with DWAU 104.1 FM, where we give you more than just music. This is Brighton Reloaded, your countdown of information for everyone campus edition.
So DJ Rafi, how are you?
I am doing really well, you know. Pero alam mo, today is actually a particular great day.
Oh, why?
Yeah. I mean,
Tell me.
We get to spend time with each other, spend time
So,
with the radio.
Ayan.
Come on.
Actually, first time lang po namin sa radio station. Isn't that right, DJ? How are you
Yes.
feeling?
Kanina, I was still really nervous.
Nervous,
As in,
yeah?
like, nerve-wracking talaga. And then, I got to sit sa DJ chair na to.
Diba?
And, you know, yung nerves ko, nagka-calm down na sila. What about you, DJ Aya?
Ako, yung tignan mo yung palms ko.
Wow.
Sweaty. Pero it's just crazy to think na I used to dream about this during
I know, right?
junior high.
Junior
and now
high, senior
we're
high.
here.
Yes,
It's
we
very-
are now doing our very own
I'm very happy,
show.
DJ Rafi.
Yes.
I'm very
same.
proud of us.
You know?
Very proud of us.
Yes, this is actually a really nice place for us to talk about our thoughts.
Yeah.
Speaking of thoughts,
Oh,
what are
thoughts?
your thoughts on Kapampangans?
Kapampangans?
Yes.
Kapampangans are really great.
I
Kapampangans
know.
are great cooks.
You know what? Every time I go somewhere, anywhere, like Manila or even out of town, alam mo, kaya kong i-distinguish or I can always tell when there's a Kapampangan around.
Really, DJ Rafi? Okay, what makes a person a Kapampangan then, DJ Rafi?
I don't know. Siguro dahil meron silang kakaibang aura.
Aura?
You know, yes, aura yung
Four of
intonation.
spades? Hindi naman,
Hindi
aura.
naman. Yung intonation nila, loudness ng voice, you know, yung accent, confidence, and minsan nga, yung pormahan nila, laging over the top.
Mga santing, mga porma, lading Kapampangan, de? DJ
Preach!
Rafi?
Yes, DJ Aya. A little
Oh.
trivia lang pala to everyone watching. The term Kapampangan actually comes from the root word pampang,
Pampang.
which means riverbank. So technically, Kapampangan means the people of the riverbank. Kasi nung unang panahon, karamihan sa kanila, they literally resided near an ilog or a river. Kaya ayun, hence the name Kapampangan.
Yung mga Pampanga River, Guagua River.
Yes, Makabebe.
Sa Smuan.
Yes.
So, ayun. Alam mo, that's a really good topic about Kapampangans because for today's episode, aalaman at pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang top 10 ways to spot a Kapampangan.
Wow! So exciting! Pero bago yan, we are inviting you guys to join us sa ating kwentuhan at kulitan. You may send your entries with our topic or kung may gusto kayo ipa-shoutout, don't forget or mag-text lang kayo sa numbers na for Smart 0918-351-8282 and for Sun 0942-357-4268.
At para naman sa mga team bahay natin dyan, pwede nyo ring i-comment yan sa ating social media account. Mapa-Facebook man yan, YouTube, Instagram o X. Hanapin lang ang 91.9 Bright FM. Of course, paki-like na rin po, share, follow, and subscribe sa mga online platforms.
Para naman sa mga gustong magpa-advertise ng kanilang business or partnership sa 91.9 Bright FM, you may send your inquiries at asf.radio.mktg@gmail.com or contact 0949-609-5478.
Para naman sa mga gustong mag-donate sa ating radio station, you may send it through GCash account number 0905-319-4871 with an account name Joseph Mary Bakay.
You know, well, of course, we are living in the Philippines where news is very rampant.
Yeah, it's a very fast-paced word kaya naman. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating talakayan at kulitan, silipin muna natin ang mga kaganapan sa ating lalawigan. Unintentional rhyming, I love that.
I love that.
Ito ang ilan sa mga balitang bumabalot ngayon sa Pampanga.
Ginoong Kapampangan 2025 officially kicks off at SM Pampanga.
Free EV charging electric vehicle po, hindi po Pokemon na si EV, now available at SPhilApco main office.
8-year-old girl allegedly raped and abandoned in critical condition in Pampanga.
NBI arrest women from Pampanga over online bomb threats.
Wow, especially since very rampant sa mga
Yeah,
colleges.
Naging
diba?
uso na naman ang online bomb
Online
threats.
bomb
Kaya
threats.
ingat po tayo, mga estudyante dyan.
And last but not least, 7 Koreans arrested in Pampanga for illegal offshore gaming operations.
Now, DJ Rafi, I read this article by Robbie Tantinko.
Robbie Tantinko.
Yeah, Robbie Tantinko, the director of the Center for Kapampangan Studies.
Wow, very,
He published this article
yes.
way back 2015 and it made me question or it led me to the question, what are the certain characteristics of the Kapampangan ba that instantly tells that they
How
are
do we
a
tell them
Kapampangan?
that they're a Kapampangan? Actually, you know, I really want to know about
Mm-hmm.
this kasi how do we know that they're a Kapampangan without even saying so, without them even saying so?
Oo.
Like, bukod sa pagluluto, ano pa kaya yung mga hints na someone is a Kapampangan?
Alam mo, ang dami kong nakikita sa feeds ko sa Facebook yung mga gumagawa ng mga short skits
Yes.
about Kapampangan na
Yes.
laging galit, na
Malalakas
malakas ang
ang boses.
boses. Ayan. Pero magandang tanong yan, DJ Rafi, dahil mga ka-bright kadas, isa't kalahating oras nating pagkukwentuhan at pag-aaralan ang top 10 ways to spot a Kapampangan. Dito lang sa
Brighton Reloaded Campus Edition!
Is there any good university here in Central Luzon?
Well, you asked the right person.
Here in AUF, they offer the best programs. Is there an AB communication course there? Yes, AUF offers a 3-year program in ABCom with specialization in creative media. The AUF ABCom program is designed to help you master your skills, creativity, and confidence in terms of videography, filming, photography, writing, broadcasting, and reporting.
That song was brought to you by DWAU 104.1, where we bring you more than just music.
Action.
Here at AUF, our 3-year program for the Bachelor of Arts in Communication specializes in creative media, ranging from production, creative broadcasting, and journalistic writing.
Cut. Ready for another take?
Okay, so commercials in 1, take 2.
Hello po, Ma. Nagpapatugtog na si Lola ng Christmas songs kahit September pa lang. Di po ba masyadong mabilis yun?
Ay naku apo, pag Burr months na, Pasko na. Mas maaga ang saya, maaga ang liwanag.
Nak, yung Pampaga at saka September pa, aramdaman mo rin Kapaskuhan, Ken.
Kaya pala tinawag na Christmas capital of the Philippines ang Pampanga, no?
Tama, lalo na sa San Fernando, yung Giant Lantern Festival.
Lola at Mama, may nakita ako mga paro sa San Fernando kanina. Sana makagawa tayo ng ganong kaganda at kalaki.
Apo, di mahalaga na malaki o maliit ang parol.
Istoy mamanak. Yung parol, aliya mo basta palamuti. Simbolo yan ng lugod at pag-asa. Kapilan man mawala. Aliya man maragol, pero masala niya man king kulya at king puso. Tsaka, balo mo nak. Yung Kapaskuhan, Ken, aliya mo basta pista. Panahon yan pa magpasalamat at pa magmasusi. Uling king puso na rin Kapampangan. At hinyang tapat at pananampalataya.
Alam mo ba anong tawag sa ating mga Kapampangan? Tugong aso. Tapat ngayon, traidor bukas.
Sinasabi mo yan parang totoo.
Totoo naman daw, 'di ba? History says so. We switched sides when things got hot.
Agli mo ne. Miras na kabagking sitwasyon na ala ka nga pangan. Ka makatakas. Kay makadepende lati ka din pamilya mo. Sabihan mo na mo ka ako. Mo bagawan kung anong kailangan.
Siguro pero lawen mo, tinatak yung lagyong makanta.
Ingaman nung ko, diya sa tamang mag-adapt. Sige, sabihan mo ng kadaya akong aso. Pero yung aso, wag yun ang protekta ng pamilya na.
Parang nanay ko kausap ko pag galit.
Baka pareho kami ng punto. Di mo pwedeng sabihin traidor kami. Kasi, sometimes, our only choice is to walk away from everything we know. Lalo na para manatiling matatag.
Ginanga, mali ako sa dugong aso. Para sa mga nakaligtas.
Para sa mga tapat.
Uy guys, try ang SB19 photo mo Talaking Mall. Tara mag-front row tayo.
Wait lang! H&M is on super sale, so priorities please.
Hell, didn't you just buy 5 blazers last week?
Fashion changes every day, Kuya Enzo. I'm just keeping up.
Pero nung kayo bisa mag-mall, at di naman fireworks display po ng festival, yung kanto.
Finally, something fun and free.
Hindi pa ready yung outfit ko for the barbecue smoke.
Crazy rich ka pang pangan ka talaga niyan ng panggastos sa buong pangabot mo.
So, saan muna tayo?
H&M muna!
Guys, bumili ako ng sisig. Napakasarap nito. Alam mo, the best in the house. Babe, favorite ko talaga to. Dapat tikman yun. Now na.
Be, papasa nga ng ketchup.
Thank you.
Ba't naglahir ang ketchup? King sisig. Yung sisig, kakanan me, alang ketchup. Buti sana kung toyo man siyo. Girl, ba't naglagay ang ketchup? Hindi ko burito mga yan.
Bakit ano masama sa ketchup? Ang dami naman gumagawa niyan.
Oo nga. Kubalo ka kayo. Diyos ko. Bakit yan?
Nanay ni? Call ko nga si Cheska.
Sister.
Wait lang. Na paano?
Alam mo yun, Meng, sinend ko kaya ka. Diyos ko, makastress.
Saan mo sunod?
King Messenger. Itong post ng Jezabel.
Na paano siya?
Girl, alam mo yun. Actually, aking bitch. Kanon na.
timelines.
Pa-hashtag yung pamumakan yan.
Nakawig ba siya?
Tabalo kayo. I love my timelines. No ko rin yung timeline skin.
Ito naman, di mo siya hayaan. Nag-enjoy siya, ha?
Itong post na. Hashtag sunkiss. Alina sunkiss yun. Sunburnt na yakan yan.
Ikaw talaga. Buti pa nga siya nakakapag-beach eh.
Ali, sister. Kung atsyo kang bitch, dapat itong sexy fantasy, itong makanta, itong makanya.
Nagbabalik ang Brighton Reloaded Campus Edition!
So, ayan. By the way, guys, we are at DWAU 104.1 FM, the official radio station of Angeles University Foundation. So, DJ Rafi, saan ba pwedeng i-follow ang DWAU na mga ating mga ka-bright kadas?
You guys can check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, with, of course, the official name, DWAU 104.1 FM, where we give you more than just music.
O, diba?
Yeah,
more than just
more
music
than
yung
just
DJ
music.
Rafi.
We give you guys information too, so don't forget to check it out.
Yeah, okay. So, DJ Rafi, going back to our top 10 ways to spot a Kapampangan, given our top 10 Kapampangan take Christmas seriously.
I know,
Ano
right?
ang say modern? Ano ang say modern?
Christmas hits different sa Pampanga kasi while the rest of the country is still thinking if it's the right time to play Jose Marichan or Mariah Carey.
It's
The
time!
you know,
Ni Mariah Carey, diba?
The Kapampangans are already 3 steps ahead.
3 steps ahead?
Yes, 3 steps ahead.
Kenny. Tuna Kenny.
Tuna ko
Where
Kenny.
na ka? O, diba?
3 steps ahead. Because for us rather, Christmas is not just a holiday.
Yeah.
We take it seriously. It's tradition. Kasi it's community, everything, all at once. Everything, all at once. You know, there's a reason. Yes,
Yeah.
there's a reason why San Fernando earned the title Christmas capital of the Philippines. And honestly, they deserve that crown.
title, yeah.
Yes. Now, let's talk about the main event. Yung
Yeah.
Giant Lantern Festival.
Festivals, yeah.
You know, I think it happens every December sa San Fernando. Am I correct?
It does, yes. You are correct, DJ Rafi.
The city of San Fernando lights up the entire province with paroles that does not just look like a star. It has even lights, you know. Meron tayong massive, dazzling, ano pa bang word na pwedeng mag-describe sa mga parol.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Wow!
Oh, diba?
Grabe, that's a really, really long word, DJ Aye. These are mechanically engineered masterpiece na pinapanood lagi ng mga kababayan natin. Mga kabalin
Makabalin.
natin.
Oh.
Yes. Actually, they can go as high as 20 feet, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, 20 feet. Imagine that. That's crazy. 20
That's,
feet.
grabe. We are what? 5 feet? 5, 10, apat? Apat na.
Apat na tayo?
Apat na
Apat na
tayo?
DJ Rafi at apat na DJ Aya?
Diba? 20 feet. You know, guys, we are actually very
honored
to have met the pioneer of
parol making. Yeah.
We met Tatang Erning
Ning
Kiwa.
Ernesto Kiwa.
Yes, we actually was able to talk to him, interview him for a bit, and nalaman ko lang na si Tatay Tang Erning at the ripe age of 14, if I am not mistaken.
When he started,
yes,
diba?
when he started making parol.
14,
Ano
nakahilata pa ako nung 14 years old ako eh.
Pandemic ata, nung 14 tayo.
We're pandemic babies, no?
Yes. Grabe, that's like so long ago if you're gonna think about it.
Sana hindi na maulit.
Hindi na
Kaya
maulit
po,
yan.
wear face mask dahil rampant po yung mga flu ngayon, influenza-like diseases.
Yes.
Alcohol, sanitize guys. Wag na po nating paulitin yung pandemic.
Yung pandemic, dahil traumatizing nga naman yung scenario na yon, hindi ba?
Going back to the Christmas, ako personally, no, I love seeing Pampanga light up with so much parol kasi
it feels special.
Yeah.
Dahil nga,
feels like home.
Yes, it is home.
Diba?
Grabe.
Tapos yung mga giant lanterns, usually they're held at Robinson's Star Meals.
Yes.
Kahit natapos na yung Pasko, makikita mo pa rin sila na nandun.
Alam mo,
really
makikita
special.
mo ang Pampanga, it lights up on its own. Dahil yung
Yeah.
mga barangay, they have their own parols.
Oo.
Parol making
May mga pambato yung mga yan.
May mga pambatong yung mga yan.
Diba?
You know what? These lanterns take months, even years sa paggawa, diba? To design, build, dahil very technical yung mga ginagawa nila.
It's hard.
Especially, maulan minsan. Kapag
Oo,
December,
yeah.
kailangan very careful ang pagkagagawa or pagkabit ng
No,
mga wires and
wires.
all that, diba?
Kapampangans are
Creative.
talented and
Yes.
just everything, no?
Everything, yes.
And our top 9 Kapampangans are insulted when called dugong aso. DJ Rafi, do you know what dugong aso is?
Well, now that you've talked about it, now that you've started it, I do not know the context. Pero if ako ang sinabihan nun, ako'y maiinsulto talaga.
Diba?
Kasi even without knowing the context, para bang
dugong aso?
Dugong aso?
Over naman, eh. Pero dugong aso or dog's blood in English or in Kapampangan, dayang aso, it's actually a very derogatory and almost like slur sa ating mga Kapampangans. Kasi may historical background yan, guys. Kasi way back during the Spanish colonial periods, yung mga mabalakad squads, they sided with the Spanish
Yes.
during yun.
Kasi I as far as I know, yung mga Spanish kasi, they invited a few Filipinos and they turned out to be Kapampangans.
Ayun. By the way, guys, the Pampanga was a very important place noon kasi meron tayong tinatawag na the Princi Palace.
Yes.
There were the elite and
Yes,
majority of them were Kapampangans. So, yung Mabalacat squads, their attitude towards the Spaniards gained them the name Dugong Aso.
Alam mo, yung slur na dugong aso, I don't think it should be said. I don't think it
shouldn't be said, no?
At all.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, it disregards the contributions of the Pampanga people. Diba?
For the Philippine Republic. It paints Kapampangans
in a very
to
bad
be
way.
to be very unpatriotic. Wherein,
Yes! Ikaw ba, papayag ka kapag tinawag kita?
Hindi yan. For the Philippines tayo.
For the Philippines.
Catriona Gray, nandun ako, nagwawagayway.
Wow!
Go Catriona Gray! Di ba? Ay, hindi pala Kapampangan si Catriona Gray.
Pero, of course, alam nyo ba, nung national costume niya, di ba, it was a parol.
Yeah, it was a parol.
You know where it was made? In San Fernando.
Oh, in San Fernando.
Di ba?
Yan ang gawang Kapampangan.
Ganyan ang gawang Kapampangan.
Di ba? So,
ang galing talaga, 'di ba? She was walking with it. Ang galing, 'di ba? No wires in sight.
Yeah.
No wires in sight. Parang inon lang, pinalakad siya, ang ganda tignan.
Oh yeah, let me correct myself. It's not Mabalacat Scouts. It's Makabebe. Scouts. It's Makabebe Scouts. Yeah.
Yes.
That originated the term Dugong Aso.
Dugong aso.
So, guys, tawagin nyo na po ang mga Kapampangan, wag lang po Dugong Aso kung
Yes.
ayaw nyo po maging sisig.
Kayo ang magiging sisig.
Oo. Joke lang po yun. Hindi po talaga, wala pong kanibalismo sa Pampanga. Opo.
We
Pero
do not
masarap po
condone.
ang sisig.
Masarap ang
sisig.
sisig. Especially dito nga, nag-originate.
Oh,
Now, for our top 8.
Yeah, top 8? What is our top 8?
Wow. Pero I think we Dugong aso daw.
Mm.
Ikaw ba papayag ka kapag tinawag kang dugong aso?
Hindi, awa yan. Sparring.
Ay,
Sparring?
makikipag-sparring tayo.
Oo.
Hindi ako papayag na I may not speak the language. Pero kabambangan ako. Dugong kabambangan
Tangan
ako.
ako,
And kapag
diba?
na-insulto,
Oo.
yung pagiging kabambangan ko, ay, hindi ako papayag.
Mga patriotic tayo eh.
Patriotic-
Proud tayo eh.
Yes, that's why we are in a field of communication.
Diba?
And people in
Palavern.
communication, palavan niya mga yan.
Oo, palavern.
Diba?
Diba?
And since, tayo mga taga-com, we like to voice out ourselves. You know?
Yeah.
We like to talk about our thoughts. Just like
We do?
Yes, just like kabapangans, diba?
The-
And if tinawag mo yung mga dugong aso, well,
Siyempre
alaman mo
mag-ano
na.
yan. May reaction yan.
Yes, magre-retaliate yung
May
mga
anghang yan.
May
Di ba?
anghang.
And
Diba?
for our top 8, you'd
We
like
have.
this.
Yes,
You'd like
I
this,
feel
DJ
like I would
Rafi?
like this.
So do the honors.
Kapampangan's Crazy Rich Asians lifestyle.
Oh.
Alam nyo, you know that line from Crazy Rich Asians nung sinabi ni Eleanor Young, it's not about being rich. It's about having class.
Oh, class.
Class. Yes, that's why I'm
Elegance,
classy.
diba?
Yeah. Kapampangan would get that. Kasi when it comes to living life with style, flair, and a bit of drama, andyan lagi yan. On point na on point yung mga yan. Dahil, I think one of the quotes I read was that the Kapampangans cannot live a week without going to the mall.
I
You know what?
agree.
I can attest to that.
You
Kasi-
can attest to that,
yes, I
DJ
can attest.
Rafi? Why?
Araw-araw ako nasa mall.
Taong mall.
Doon ako nakatira.
Oo.
Doon ako nakatira. Doon na talaga.
Saang mall, DJ Rafi? Baka makita niyo siya doon.
Baka makikita niyo ako. SM, Tinabastagan. I am always there.
SMT pala to eh.
SMT baby.
Oo, ako naman SMP.
SM Pampanga.
O yun, SM Pampanga. Sapak yung tao to.
Diyos
Every Sunday, every Saturday, sapak yung tao ito.
Malalaman mo talaga ng Kapampangan yung mga yan dahil laging nasa mall.
Nasa mall.
Nasa mall.
Oo. Tsaka din Kapampangan kasi, mga formalo, mga,
Mga
santing,
formalo.
labala mo, nalang kakwalta na.
Yes!
Wow.
Alam mo, kapag pupunta ka palengke, mahihiya ka pa.
Oo.
Kasi yung mga nagbebenta doon.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yun.
As in
O,
like,
Kenny, nakasali. Then gold bracelet.
ayan.
Kikining lang bakanto.
Mahihiya ka pa makabili kasi parang, oh my God.
Oo.
he's richer
Afford
than
ko
me.
ba yung baboy?
Hindi ko
tsaka
afford yung baboy.
baka dito?
Di ba?
Diba?
You know, the Kapampangans are known for their santing.
Santing.
That, you know, they have this innate sense. Innate na kasi sa kanila na pumorma. You know, yung presentation, you'll never, ever catch a Kapampangan stepping out of the house looking like a rag.
Rag?
Yes, like a rag. Pupunta lang yan sa kapitbahay.
Oo.
Nakaporma yan. Hindi pwedeng
I agree.
hindi. Diba? They look like they have a lunch reservation sa Wolfgang, sa Peninsula. Grabe naman.
Okay. Grabe. Oh, diba?
Diba? Like,
Viking. So, diba?
grabe. Like, inaraw-araw ang pormahan.
Actually, guys, this is actually rooted, it has a historical background, no? Kasi, going back to the Spanish era, the Kapampangans were favored by the Spanish colonial masters.
Yes.
Kasi, meron nung ongoing or circulating fact na mayayaman yung mga Kapampangan. And mas na-expose sila sa lavish lifestyle
Dahil sa mga
nung Spaniards.
Yes.
So parang nasanay na sila sa ganung lifestyle
Na-invite
na
kasi sila ng
marangya, makwalto.
Diba? They were able to go to school kasi may it be sa Milan. Actually, I read that.
Oo, yeah.
Nag-aral sila sa Milan.
Milan?
Or either Spanish school here in the Philippines. Kaya
So,
very open sa kanila ang heritage ng Spanish.
Yeah.
Diba? You know, kasi we were colonized by the Spanish era for the Spanish for like what, 333 years? That's a lot of
konti
years.
lang. Konti lang. Joke lang.
The local elites kasi, I think they were called the Principalia.
Yeah, the Principalia.
They were exposed to that old money, old world, luxury. They have, you know, like silks. Diba?
Yeah,
like, makikita
silks.
mo talaga sa mga mayayaman ang silk, fine dining.
Tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant. Oh.
Diba? Ballroom parties, laging ballroom parties. And of course,
diba?
Spanish level sophistication. Dahil alam naman natin ang mga Espanyol,
diba?
Mukhang mayayaman lagi.
Diba?
Mukhang decente. Diba? You will never catch. Kaya nga, you will never catch a Kapampangan dressing down.
They're always, they could either be overdressed or not dressed at all.
Yes,
Charot lang po.
Diba?
Diba?
You know what? they do not dress for the occasion. They dress for the people in the occasion that will see them.
Alam mo ba actually, nabasa ko na tinatanong ko sa sarili ko na bakit nasa sizzling plate yung sisig.
Yes,
One
bakit?
of the research is sinabi na it's for the drama.
Drama!
Yeah, di ba? Who doesn't want a sizzling plate?
Exactly.
Diba? For the
Let
drama.
it cook. Let them cook.
I live for the Kapampangans dressing up for drama, for the effect. I
You know
love
what?
that.
It kind of makes sense that centuries later, the elegance struck. Kasi nga, na-inherit na ng mga Kapampangan. Not just the land, the recipes, the forma, everything. Diba?
Everything.
If you're
diba?
gonna live beautifully.
Yeah,
Huwag ka na mag-down, chena.
Diba kasi what if last outfit mo na yan?
Oh.
Willing ka bang mag-travel sa afterlife ng ganyang outfit?
No!
Diba?
Bakit? Ikaw, willing ka ba?
Nang ganito, okay naman. Proud ako sa press shirt ko.
Proud ako sa press
Oh.
shirt ko. Yes. Kaya if I were to die tonight, okay ako.
Oh,
sa
knock
damit
on
na ito.
wood.
Knock on wood.
Knock on
Pero,
wood naman. Stay safe
syempre,
po.
you know, the damit.
The damit. It's
We're so
important.
something.
We're so something. We're maporma.
Yes, we are
Yeah.
a Parma. And, you know, they cannot live with mahjong.
Without mahjong.
Yes. like,
Mahjong.
that's
Yeah.
not laziness. It's not laziness. That's a lifestyle,
Yes,
darling.
that's a lifestyle, baby.
Yes,
Diba?
yes. And I think it's what they call, in the phrase in French is called joie de vivre.
Ay, wow.
De vivre.
Ay, wow. May
Na-
paganon siya.
na
Ulitin mo nga,
research
DJ
na-
Rafi. Masarap sa tenga eh.
Masarap ba sa
May
tenga?
crisp.
Joie de vivre.
Ay, wow. Ay, wow. May paganon
This
siya. Oh.
love for finer things.
Finer
The
things,
Kapampangan
yeah.
understood that really well.
Yeah,
You know,
they love a good life.
They love a good
Who doesn't, di ba?
I don't. I mean, I...
You do.
Do I?
You want a good life.
Well, yeah, you could say that. Well, kaya nga, it makes them stand out. Some people might say, it's too much, but honestly, hindi siya too much.
Nothing
Kulang.
is ever too much,
Exactly.
guys.
It's refreshing.
Yeah.
It's not really new money, flashy thingy-majig. It's
Zimigig.
mukha silang old money, you know.
Yeah.
Their food is gourmet. Their clothes, grabe, tailored Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift? Your life of a showgirl.
Wow.
Kapampangans are showgirls. Kasi
Yes,
they
are
are
showgirls.
very...
They show their money.
Yeah.
They show their money. Show money.
Show
Yes.
money?
You know, their homes, it is always curated. They understand that luxury as like price tag, not as price tags, but as a lifestyle.
As a lifestyle,
Yes, as a
yeah.
lifestyle. It's taste, darling.
This was particularly highlighted by Robbie Tantingco's
Robbie
article.
Tantingco. Yes.
So it's actually
Nag-research
really
pa.
funny. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. I think we could go on
To our top 7, which is Kapampangans are protective of their food.
Papayag ka ba doon?
Oo
Na-
naman.
na
Oo
kunin
naman.
ang ano
Hindi
mo?
naman. Kasi, di ba nga, kilala ang mga Kapampangan.
Sa sisig.
Kempamangan.
Exactly.
Pamangan. And one of them is sisig. So,
When you talk about Kapampangan pride, you talk about food.
You talk
And
about
when you talk
food.
about Kapampangan food,
Hindi
you talk
mawawala
about
sisig, di ba?
Hindi pwedeng walang sisig.
oo, kasi one of the funny things about Kapampangan is yung debate nila over
Yes.
sisig na may itlog tsaka
at
mayonnaise.
That's not sisig. That is torta.
O, di ba?
That is
Di ba?
torta.
That's what I'm talking about. Kapag naghain ka ng sisig na may itlog at mayonnaise sa mga Kapampangan,
Hindi tawag-
amit das na ko.
Ay,
May
diba?
yari nakabalat king imamo, king indamo, king apo mo, king... gana.
Kapag ginawa mo yon, ikaw yung magiging sisig.
Wala, hindi naman po. Pero, may dako. Or it varies naman. Kasi, the Kapampangans, they are, yung kasing pagkain, it's their culinary, it's their identity na, di ba?
Speaking of culinary, Pampanga is known for being the culinary capital of the Philippines.
Oh, yes, that's a good topic, yeah.
It's not official yet.
It's not official.
Kasi it was
Tell us, DJ Rafi.
It was vetoed by our ever-loving President
Bongbong Marcos.
Pero, I mean, gets ko naman ang reason.
Yeah,
kasi
naiintindihan
it
ko
takes
rin.
away the authenticity of other province.
Yeah,
Diba?
I agree. Kasi masasarap din naman yung pagkain ng mga ibang probinsya.
I know!
Nakapunta na ako sa hometown ni President Marcos Ilocos.
Ilocos, masasarap.
Ilocos empanada.
Ay, top tier.
Yeah, sarap na may
Yes.
suka.
So, gets ko naman ang reason, hindi ba? You know what? Saan lagi masarap ang sisig?
Para sa akin.
Yes, para sa iyo.
Ako kasi yung mga dengat chiko, my titas, they have a karinderya. And yung sisig
They
nila
do.
talaga, wala wala talagang kalasa kapag yung mga pamilya mo yung gumawa.
Diba?
Ikaw ba, DJ Rafi, what's the best sisig for
Hindi
you?
pa kasi ako hindi pa ako pinagluluto ng sisig.
Pagluluto kita, huwag kang magalala.
Sige,
Oo.
kailangan ko matikman yan, ha?
In 10 years.
In 10 years. Pero
Oo.
natikman ko na ang original Aling Lusing
yeah.
sisig.
So, yan, going back to the original sisig. Nag-originate po ang sisig kay Aling Lusing Cunanan. Angeles po, ano?
She's the woman who put sisig on the map.
On the map,
On the
yeah.
map. I'm the map? Are you the map? No.
I'm Boots.
Pero from a small eatery in in Angeles City, dun yan na-originate,
Neat
diba?
yung sisig, yeah.
Gumamit siya ng, if I'm not mistaken, chopped pig's face?
Yeah, pig's face.
Pig's
Mascara.
Grabe,
Tama ba?
nilagyan mo ng
Mascara? Hindi ako
Gumamit
sigurado
siya ng brain ng pig.
Oo.
Papayag ka doon. I mean, masarap kasi.
Oh, masarap.
Chicken, liver, calamansi,
onions.
You can never go wrong with
Oo.
onions. Sa sisig.
Oo.
Yes.
'Di ba? Wala po siyang itlog at mayonnaise. Pero guys,
may onions.
Oo. Ang tawag po kasi sa style ng sisig na yon is apparently it's called Manila style sisig.
Manila style. Pero I do not think it deserves a name.
Sisig, no?
No, kasi nga, if you're gonna, I am all for
Innovation
but
and
that's no
add-ons.
longer sisig kasi
Yeah.
you added mayonnaise.
It's a whole new dish na kasi.
Yes, diba?
So, naiintindihan ko rin yung fury ng mga Kapampangan. Kapampangan ko eh.
Pero, you know what? Behind her success, there's this very...
Aling Lusing?
Yes, Aling Lusing.
Okay.
She has a very sad and...
do tell. I love a good lore, DJ Rafi.
Behind her success
Mhm.
was a tragedy in 2008.
Oh.
Aling Lusing was,
Mhm.
let her rest in peace,
Mhm.
was found dead
Mm-mm.
in her own home. She was found dead.
I
Oh
know.
my
You just said that, DJ Rafi.
I'm so sorry, but she was murdered.
Murdered.
Yes, she was murdered. The news shocked Pampanga and the whole
Of course.
country.
Of course.
Dahil
I
nga-
could imagine.
Yes, naging famous kasi
Mhm.
for sisig. And then she died. The woman who gave joy and pride through her food met a really dark
Yeah,
fate.
disturbing.
It's a senseless end, darling.
Yeah.
You know, news report at the time said she died from multiple stab wounds and blood
Oh.
force sa head. Sa trauma, yeah. Grabe, no?
Yeah, it's
That's
it's
very
an odd way to die.
It's not really an odd way to die, but it's so sad.
Yeah, it is sad.
So,
really unexpected.
we honor her memory by not putting
mayonnaise and
itlog sa
ebon.
sisig.
Yeah.
Kasi nga siya nag-originate.
Yeah,
We honor.
eya po kaya kami yung sisig ngayon. Joke lang.
yuck.
It's not culinary snobbery, ka-bright kadas. It's just preserving the authenticity of the
original sisig.
Kapampangan sisig, guys.
Kasi that's why we're protective of it.
Mm-mm.
To us, changing sisig's recipe is
Yeah.
it's just not worth it. Like,
Yeah.
it's not just culinary disrespect, you know. Parang it's almost like personal. Kasi nga, tao.
Personal
yung-
attack na eh.
Personal attack
Oo.
na kay Aling Lusing.
Yeah.
Papayag ba si Aling Lusing doon? Hindi siya papayag.
Ay, sabi niya yun?
Sinabi niya
Tinext
yun.
ka niya? Ah, wow.
Matagal niya na akong nakausap.
Ikaw ba, DJ Rafi, are you willing to try the Manila-style sisig? / torta
Well,
/ kinilaw /
I am willing. I'm okay for it. I'm okay to try it, but I do not think that I will like it.
Oh,
Kasi,
okay.
of course, originality,
Original
darling.
eh. Kung saan tayo lumaki.
Yes.
Me too, I'm actually open to trying. Pero, nothing beats the
A
Jet2 holiday.
holiday.
Nothing beats the original talaga, no?
You know, they say, a lot of Kapapangan say, it
Oo.
ruins. It ruins the mixture of...
The trifecta.
Yes,
the flavor trifecta.
The balance.
Oo.
Kasi it hides a lot of taste.
Mm-mm.
Kasi taste buds, you
Oo.
know,
Lalo
it
na,
hides a
deng
flavor.
taste buds de pa mong Kapampangan, Kylo. Highly mechanical.
I know, right? Para silang robot kapag nakatikim.
Pagkain na eh.
Yes! Kasi, ganito nga naman. Ikaw ba maglalagay ng itlog sa sisig? Hindi ba unusual yun?
Yeah.
If there's an egg, it's not sisig, it's torta.
Yeah.
And it's, yeah.
Kudos na lang sa nag-invent ng Manila style sisig. We
I
don't
mean,
discredit your work naman po.
Pero, you
Yeah.
are just, come on.
Oh, yung Kapampangan blood niya, guys.
Yes.
By the way, DJ Rafi, where are you from?
I am from Angeles City. But
Angeles.
But I don't speak the language, which is a really bad thing for me. Kasi
Boo.
I'm so sorry.
Pasensya
I know a
na.
few phrases.
Like?
Menga na ka ba?
Ay, wow! Wow! May konting accent, may konting kulot dun ah.
Kasi
Menga na ka ba?
if I speak a
Yeah.
lot of it, parang, you know, mababash ako.
Oo.
Like,
Wow.
Kapampangan language, you either speak it or you don't speak at all. Diba?
Oo. I agree.
You know, I think, I remember this article that I read. The Angeles City government officially declared Sisig Babi an intangible cultural heritage.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin, hindi mo siya dapat galawin.
Oo, PDF na siya.
PDF na siya.
format na po
Hindi
ang
siya Word,
sisig.
hindi siya PowerPoint. Naka-PDF.
Yeah. Now, going back to dun sa you either speak Kapampangan or you don't, which leads us to our top 6.
What is it?
Kapampangans are known to be what, DJ Rafi?
Bashers! Grabe,
Oh.
diba?
Mapangtisti. Then Kapampangan ka, no?
Have you ever met a Kapampangan who did not have an opinion?
Kapampangan ka ba kung wala kang opinion?
Yeah, me neither, diba?
Diba?
Hindi ba ako nakakamit ng ganon?
Ako rin.
If Kapampangans think something is off, they'll tell you straight away.
Straightforward.
Yes, very opinionated kasi ang mga Kapampangan. No filter. They do not like sugar coating. If ever your dish is bland, sasabihin yan.
It's bland.
It's bland.
Diba? If it's maalat, maalat ya.
Yeah.
Diba?
Oh my God.
Sasabihin nila.
Expect to hear it before yung spoon pa lang nakapasok na sa bibig mo.
Ano lang, dumampi pa lang.
Dadampi pa lang. Dadampi pa lang. Nasabi na bland yung kinakain niya.
They just appear to be bashers kasi they don't sugarcoat, no? DJ Rafi. They really don't sugarcoat.
Yes, they don't like sugar coating at all. Sugar, yes. That's like for food, diba?
Fun fact, but a really, really fun fact. It's also once again rooted during the Spanish period.
Alam mo?
Spanish bread na
yung
yan.
Ayan,
Porque contigo yo.
Ayun.
Yes,
Grabe, I like the voice.
Ay, thank you.
Wow.
Thank you po. Pero i-cover ko next time ang aking mouth.
Why? No? Bakit naman? DJ Rafi? Ay, DJ Ayan.
Ay, alam ko namang mga talented ang mga Kapampangan, pero
kailangan mo ng...
hidden kasi yung sa akin eh.
Hidden pa.
Hindi pa shy pa lang siya. Oo.
Wow, shy.
Shy type
si
siya.
DJ
So,
Ayan.
let it bloom na lang.
On its own.
Oo. I hope not soon.
Not soon. Siguro kapag marami na naka-earpods na hindi makikinig.
Oo, ganon.
Here's the thing, though. Yung mga Kapampangan, they speak... They're very opinionated. Yeah, they speak a lot.
Yeah.
Pero it's not out of malice kasi. It's not hate. It's like standards.
Just honest.
They have really high standards.
Yeah.
Especially when it comes to their food. Ikaw ba naman marunong magluto?
Oo. Tapos,
diba?
and going back to the historical roots of it, kasi nga, diba, they were exposed sa lavish lifestyle due to the Espanyol. So, nasanay sila sa ganong suot na marangya. So, kapag hindi nila gusto yung suot mo, kaya ba rin susulod mo, mamalit ka, they'll say it. Kasi nasanay sila sa standard na set ng Spanish during that time. So, parang na-adapt ng Kapampangan.
I know.
Even today. Kasi still evident eh.
Yes. And if you want the truth, you should go ask Kapampangan.
Oo. Kung ayaw mo yung, maganda ba yung suot ko? Bagay ba? Mangutang ka kayang Kapampangan. Yun, magtanong ka sa Kapampangan. Balo din sabihan.
Ganon.
Pero kung ayaw mong ma-hurt, magka sa Kapampangan. But the thing is, you learn.
You'll learn from it, which is a good thing.
Oo.
Diba? Which is a good thing. Kasi, when they tell you something is off, you get to learn from it. Uulitin mo pa ba? Hindi
kahit
na.
lugod. Love. Lugod.
Lugod is love.
Yeah.
That is our word of the day.
I think Kapampangan, from my observation lang naman, no, they say the truth, that's a form of lugod. They care for you.
Yes.
Diba? Gusto nila magmukha kang maganda. So, panisti day sa sulod mo.
Sasabihin talaga nila if something is off. Para naman, hindi mo na ulitin.
Yeah.
Diba? That's one less mistake to happen in the future. But here's the thing, though. We Kapampangan are very protective of our food, of our culture, of everything rather. Kaya, kapag naman merong may nagdi-disrespect, doon na ang bashing.
Oo, yun na yung bashing. Pag talagang libel. Slander, yeah.
Yes. Thank you to Ma'am Tina for giving us that information.
Yeah. Alright, so stay tuned mga ka-Bright Kadas dahil sa ating pagbabalik ay malalaman na natin ang iba pang top 10 ways to spot a Kapampangan dito pa rin sa Brighton Reloaded Campus Edition.
Welcome back mga ka-Bright Karas! We are here again. I am DJ Rafi.
And I am DJ Aye, your Friday buddy. And of course, we're still with DWAU 104.1 FM as well with Bright FM. So let's do a quick recap, shall we, DJ Rafi?
Yes, top 10. Let's start with top 10.
Oh,
The Kapampangans are... they take Christmas seriously, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Ikaw lagi ka namang may parol lagi, 'di ba? Sa bahay kapag may Christmas, laging may parol.
Yeah. Actually, yung parol namin, it's it's 5 years na.
5 years?
Oo, may ilaw pa yan.
Going strong.
Diba? 5 years.
Gawang Kapampangan.
Matibay, masalese.
For our top 9?
Top 9 is Kapampangans are insulted when called Dugong Aso.
Ikaw ba naman, hindi ma-insulto ka kapag tinawag kang Dugong Aso?
Di ba?
Even without the context, it's really insulting.
So, let's refrain from that,
Kasi,
mga ka-Bright Kadas.
Kapag sinabi mo yan, ikaw yung gagawing sisig talaga.
Yeah, also, let me pause you, DJ Rafi. Mga ka-Bright Kadas, if you guys have any of your own Kapampangan stereotypes in your own experience or research base, i-comment nyo lang yan sa ating mga online platforms, and we'd love to
Hear about them,
yeah,
read about them, and
interact with
everything in
you guys,
between.
mga kabright karas.
Yeah.
All right, moving on, DJ
And for
Rafi.
our top 8, the Kapampangans have a crazy rich
Asian
Asian
lifestyles.
Lagi silang masanting.
Oh,
Diba?
wow, masanting,
Mapforma, everything in between. Like, even the clothes.
Yeah.
Grabe, magagaling, magaganda, lahat masanting.
Speaking of clothes, we have a Kapampangan fashion icons.
Wow, who
diba?
is this? Who is
you
this?
brought up you brought up Catriona Gray.
Alam nyo ba kung sino ang designer? Designer, if I'm not mistaken?
Yeah, na kanyang lava gown. It's actually a Kapampangan. It's
Wow, who is
Mac
this?
Tumang.
Grabe, lahat
Mac
naman
Tumang. Alam mo ba taga saan siya?
Saan siya?
Mexico.
Mexico, Pampanga.
Mexico represent, di ba?
You know?
So, siya din yung nag-design nung Ibong Adar na gown ni Miss Catriona
Wow,
Gray.
grabe
So,
ba?
gawang Kapampangan.
Very creative, very beautiful.
Yeah, and Kapampangan also, and Kapampangan, Sir Mac Tumang also designed a lot of very fabulous and just gorgeous gowns
I
for a lot of
know.
celebrities.
He's
The
a
lava gown is
celebrity
just one
already.
among many of them.
He's among them already.
Yeah.
He's a celebrity.
So,
Diba?
hindi, talaga Kapampangan, they're creative.
I know!
Diba? It's just innate them.
It's innate.
Yeah.
Next, we have Kapampangans are protective of their food.
Are protective of their food.
Diba? Kasi kapag nilagyan mo talaga ng itlog at mayonnaise ang sisig,
Mm-mm.
that is not sisig already.
Yeah, it's Manila style sisig.
It's torta.
Oh, so,
It's torta.
galit na galit talaga siya
Talaga,
eh.
I am protective. Even if I don't speak the language, I
Yeah.
am protective of my Kapampangan blood.
Yeah, dayang Kapampangan, eh?
Yes.
And
yan ang matatanggap ko, dayang Kapampangan, not dugong aso.
yeah,
Dayang
mga ka-Bright
aso.
Kadas, if you guys have the time, comment down below what's your favorite Kapampangan dish. And if may Kapampangan spots kayo or may food spots kayo in Pampanga, we'd love to visit them.
I
Alam mo,
know.
DJ Rafi, you're ought to tour me in Angeles. Hindi po kasi ako taga Angeles, so
Taga saan ka, DJ?
Mexico
Ayen?
nga.
Mexico,
Or
Pampanga.
Mexico. A lot of the older Kapampangans call it Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah. Wow.
What?
What? May
Mexico.
kulat.
There.
Mexico.
Yes.
Yeah.
I will tour you around if you
Yeah.
want. And you can tour me around Mexico as well because
Oo.
I haven't been to Mexico.
You haven't been
Yeah,
to
I haven't been to
Mexico.
Mexico.
Okay, you have to. Kasi meron kaming ano doon. Masasarap yung bibingka.
Ay!
Yeah.
That
Masarap yung bibingka.
reminds me, I am craving puto bongbong.
Puto bongbong.
Yes,
Pasko.
bibingka.
Pasko
It's
na
Pasko
talaga,
season
no?
Na.
Yeah.
Grabe. Now that you brought it up, now, you have to tour me na.
Oh, you have to tour me as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Kailangan ko ng puto bongbong.
Oo, kailangan ko din ng bibingka.
Sa Pampanga?
Oo, Pampanga.
Kaya if you guys are craving puto bongbong, bibingka or anything around
yeah.
Pampanga is the right place for you guys to visit.
Mm-mm.
Laging masasarap ang pagkain.
Yeah.
And diba? And for our top 6,
Kapampangans are known to be bashers.
I mean, they're not really bashers. They're
Yeah, it's
opinionated.
They're just honest.
Diba?
Diba?
They talk when they see something that is foul.
Yeah.
When something is wrong, they
Yeah.
talk about it. Kasi that's their act of, love.
Yeah, lugod.
Lugod.
Yeah.
That's their act of lugod. Dahil they don't want you to repeat it over and over again, and then they'll have to talk about it again and again.
Again. Yeah.
Of course.
Kasi,
diba?
if nagkamali ka,
Bakit ba
huwag na ulitin, diba? That's the kind of like the Kapampangan mindset.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, now that we are down to our top
five.
I really want to know what our top 5 is. Why don't we watch this?
Iyan baka niyo na rin kakyanan ko. Wala lang silbi, alam tutok, wala na nabunto. Di pa mag-report ko na lang ata. Bata, sana isa na rin kakyanan ko. Makanya lang. Ba? Kawin sabi ta namin, mag-code daw ng gagamit ka naman. Ini ma, Mama ko siya, gusto makakalam ko. Namburi mong gawin.
O ngini, at yun naman ni kapatid mo ni. O temo niyang pinagawa kayo.
Itabalo ka rin, maminto ka rin utos ng ima ko.
Sabi tamo magpapagdaan mo eh.
Guys, parang hindi naman tama na binabadmouth niya yung mom niyo. Di ba? Hindi naman yata tamang gawin yun.
Ito naman. Oo. Laro-laro lang yun. Wala naman ako balak iwanan yung nanay ko. Pamilya ko pa rin yun.
Hindi, tsaka chill naman si tita kapag alam niyang kalaro ko siya.
Ganun lang talaga kayo magsalita?
Oo.
Sige, mag-i-reveal ako.
Ikaw na muna magsalita.
David, yung kabiyaso.
Alright. Gusto ko talaga sabihin yung alright.
Alright.
Diba?
Ano yan eh,
Very
sikat yan
DJ.
eh.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
I mean, it became infamous sa TikTok.
Yeah, saludo po sa mga radio DJs.
Yes!
Diba? Alright, about
What
our
is your
top
top five?
5. Kapampangan's They Sound Angry.
Oh my God, yes, I get it a lot. Diba? Yung mga Kapampangans kasi, they have this diction.
Oh, they have this diction, yeah.
Kaya laging matatas, is that what they call it? Matatas ang kanilang mga dila. Kaya lagi silang pinaghihinalaan na galit.
Pinaghihinalaan, lalim nun na.
Oo,
Yeah.
naisip ko talaga yon.
So, a lot of times when Kapampangans talk, they're often misunderstood as angry. Yeah. And the thing is, guys, naiintindihan ko kayo, no? Lalong-lalo na sa nanay ko, hindi ko alam kung galit ba siya na inuutusan.
Very loving.
Or talagang ganun lang talaga.
Default na kasi nila
default,
yun.
yeah, that's their default tone.
Kaya wag na kayong magugulat.
Oo. Parang ganito, DJ Rafi kalago mo, babata ka kag sadting, kaluguran da kanta. Ganon, di ba?
I actually did not understand that. So,
ang ganda mo, DJ Rafi.
oh my God,
I can't believe you're my
so
friend.
Much. Oh,
Diba?
See, I thought that she was mad at me. Kaya hindi ko kasi nag-get.
Parang nanghahamon ng away. Parang hamon ng sparring.
Sparring? Grabe
Diba?
ba? Diba? Like, I did not understand that reference.
Yeah.
Pero, when I heard it, I thought she was angry at me.
Diba?
Grabe kasi. Like,
pero me personally, I love that about Kapampangans. They're so aggressive. I love it so much.
I love it so much.
Yeah.
Like, girl,
kasi it brings life to the conversation.
Like,
diba?
Them sounding angry,
Oo.
that's very unique.
Yeah, it's very
Kasi malalaman
unique.
mo
Oo.
yung Kapampangan ang isang tao kapag mukha siyang galit.
Galit, oo.
Galit siya magsalita. Like, kahit sino inaaway niya.
Oo.
Kapag hindi ka Kapampangan talaga, kahit makakita ka ng Kapampangan, kahit sino aawayin yan. Mukha lang.
Oo.
Pero mabait yan.
Mabait yan,
Mabait
yeah.
yan.
Kaya it's very important rin na if you guys have the time to try to learn the Kapampangan
understand.
language.
At least
Oo, kasi
understand.
baka mapagkamalan yung naghahamon ng away, kino-compliment. Kasamting mo,
ka na pala.
kalago mo, nangapangan mo nga ni, kalago na nine, o, di ba?
Okay.
Ganun siya.
Yeah. I did
Siyang
not
naintindihan.
understand that.
Okay. If you guys have any instances na misunderstand nyo yung mga kapwa nyo kabalen,
Ngayon.
please do let us know. We'd love a good laugh, honestly. Kasi
Yes.
we've been victims. Kahit na kaming Kapampangan, we've been victims to that, ano?
Kasi, actually, kami din, we are very susceptible to
yeah.
these kinds of scenarios. Dahil, I don't know, very, very, kaya, very unique kasi. Hindi mo malalaman kahit sa iba yan.
Oo.
Hindi ba?
Parang ang hirap basahin ng mga
Ng
Kapampangan
mood sa
minsan
mga
yeah.
Kapampangan.
Pero, the angrier they are, the loving they are. Pero intindihan nyo rin po yung sasabihin.
Kasi
Baka naman,
minsan,
pinaghuhugas ka na ng pinggan, akala mo, sweet pa siya sa'yo, di ba?
Yun pala,
Oo.
pinapagalitan ka na pala.
Oo, pag yan, hindi ka na nakauwi talaga sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ayun tayo eh.
Oo,
Ayun
kaya,
tayo.
Kapampangan is a very rich and diverse language. So, if you guys have the time to learn it, please do so. Kasi kami ni DJ Rafi, we're still in the process of
learning more.
Yeah, being influent.
Yeah.
Being influent? What? Being fluent in Kapampangan.
Kasi
Alright.
ako, legit, the only thing I know is Mengan ka na ba?
Mengan ka na ba? Di ba?
Ano,
May accent pa yun. Mengan ka na ba? Di ba?
Kasanting mo.
Thank you.
I know, right?
Kasanting mo,
is,
di ba?
You're beautiful. If I'm not mistaken.
No, you're beautiful is malago.
Malago ka.
Masanting yata is pogi.
Oh!
Oo.
Wow, that
Pero
is...
masanting, it could be, yun nga, is very flexible kasing Kapampangan.
Unisex.
So, you could see masanting as pogi or masanting as maganda.
Very
diba?
neutral ang term.
Or baka mali na yung sinasabi ko, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong, mga ka-bright kadas.
This is why we still have to
Yeah.
to learn more. Kasi every day is a learning process.
Yeah.
Diba? We get to learn a lot of things. Ngayon, I got to learn a lot of that.
Yeah.
Diba? Like, grabe, the Kapampangan language is harder to learn if you do not have the heart for it.
Yeah. Pero actually, you will learn Kapampangan quickly if you are surrounded by the people who speak it.
Exactly.
Actually. Kasi ako, I started off as a Tagalog girly. Hindi ako nagkakapampangan. Pero sa San Fernando, syempre yung mga kalaro ko, hindi naman pwedeng sila yung mag-a-adjust, 'di ba? So I have to learn at some point how to speak Kapampangan. It was pretty quickly.
Wow!
It was pretty quick.
Since
Diba?
when did you started talking Kapampangan?
I think, since grade 1, I think.
Grade 1?
Yeah. Pero pangit pa ako magsalita.
Parang
pagtestida ako. Di ba, magkakapampangan ako. Di ba? Susubukan ko magkapampangan, no? Kasi naman, proud ako kapampangan eh. Sasabihin nila sa akin, ikanong mo? Sagwa mo yan nakamagsalita. Masagwa daw akong magkapampangan. Di ba?
Kung ganun siya na grade 1, this is me. First year college. Di ba?
Alright.
Grabe.
Now, that is a very wonderful. Now let's move on to our top 4, DJ Rafi. Let's watch
Kapampangans. They talk loud. Why don't we watch this AVP so you guys could get the gist of it?
Yeah.
Oh, ano yung 5 key components ng biodiversity?
Nung key components naman, di pa nga ako nag-review. Kaka-discuss lang talaga niyan, ate.
Tandaan, 5 lang to.
Uy, next week po yung quiz natin. Mamaya na lang.
Baka lumabas to sa exam mo siya sa quiz.
Mamaya na lang. Hindi, sige. Anong yung abbreviation?
PABF.
Hindi ka pala mag-aaral to?
Nag-force mo. Communication, siga.
Di ako psych. Yung kaklase ko.
Psych? Hello.
Sinong teacher mo?
Ikay, Ma'am Dave.
Ma'am Dave?
Wow.
Totoo. Ay, tol. Favorite ka yan, tol.
Yun ang talaga, di ba? Ay, grabe man.
Kamusta ni Tito Tol?
Ay, may nanyo.
Paano ka? Why?
Di ba magre-review pa tayo? Bakit ang ingay niyo?
Ay, joke pasensya na ko.
Punta na muna, tol.
Sige,
Sorry. Magayon.
Isa.
Bye-bye.
Welcome back, guys. Now, we are down to our top 4.
All right.
You know what? You ever walk into a room of Kapapangans and wonder if they're arguing only to realize they're actually talking really nicely?
Mga magulang ko, my parents. Actually, not my parents. My mother side.
Ganun
diba?
ba?
Di ko alam kung scene na ba siya ng Four Sisters in a Wedding or family yung Seven Sundays.
Grabe.
Na, di ko alam kung aalis na ba ako dun.
Or kung nag-aaway ba sila.
Or it's just an regular thing, di ba?
It is. Is
Pero,
it a regular thing? I mean, Kapampangans, they talk really loudly. If hindi pa po nahalata ngayon, we talk loudly.
Bala mo po mekakmol lang mic, sabi nga, di ba? Nakakmol ng microphone.
Narinig ko na yan.
Yeah.
It's like, they swallow the microphone. Nasa kaya yung microphone ngayon? Andito na ba?
Diaphragm?
Diba?
Diaphragm?
Nasa diaphragm na
Chill,
siya ngayon?
diba?
Grabe. You would think a fight would break out kapag narinig mo talaga yan.
Yeah.
Pero in reality,
Oo.
they're just catching up.
And ano lang
Probably
kasi,
talking about who is related to whom.
yeah.
Diba?
Lalo na kapag you're in a gathering, yung
Yeah.
mga kapampangan, hahanapin talaga nila yan. Sino yung kapwa
Kung
nila
sino yung
kapampangan.
nila.
Tapos kapag nagkita na sila, para bang 10 years hindi nagkita.
Diba? Pero like, parang, they get so
excited?
excited
Yeah.
about it.
Yung
Nagiging
pitch
close
nila,
ka
oo.
agad.
Yeah.
For Kapapangans, loudness isn't rudeness. I mean, sometimes it is kapag, syempre,
Talagang
alam mo
syempre naman, di ba?
It depends on the context. Pero usually kasi, it's energy.
Yeah,
It's
energy.
really energy. It's joy. Spilling out. Joy? Is
Joy?
that you?
Hindi, ako si anger. Kasi
Oh my God.
kapampangan ako. Anger.
Yes, diba?
Diba?
It's joy spilling out of their mouths without even talking about, or without even thinking about the volume. Diba? Before mag-catch up pa yung brain nila sa dapat na volume na gagamitin nila, hindi. Nauna sila talaga. Nauna yung mga bibig nilang magsalita.
I think sometimes Kapampangans don't realize the volume of their voices actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Para bang mga natural broadcasters.
Natural broadcasters. Speaking of broadcasters, ayan, did you know, mga ka-Bright Kalas, Ivan Mayrina.
And also, I think renowned journalist Cara David.
They are Kapampangan. I believe Ivan Mayrina is from Angeles.
Yes. He graduated from Holy Angel
University.
Wow.
Yeah.
Diba?
And that's really such an interesting fact na Ivan Mayrina is
from
Pampanga. And Cara David is from Guagua naman.
Wow.
Diba?
Pampanga. Grabe, ang galing.
Okay, so
full of star-studded
catch me and DJ Rafi soon sa TV.
Kami na yan.
Hala, grabe naman.
Para
Hala.
bang hindi pa tayo,
Oo.
long way to go.
Oh, we're still a long way to go.
I know.
And also, our very wonderful senior, Miss Trisha
Lindo.
Naman!
Yes!
Trisha
Lindo.
DWB,
Yes.
DBWB. Yeah.
Trisha Lindo, Ate
Yeah.
Trisha Lindo is from Angeles University Foundation.
Foundation.
She actually graduated summa cum laude.
Laude?
Yes, ang galing, hindi ba?
ABCom
Ngayon,
represent.
Communication
Represent, yeah.
Ngayon, she's a field reporter.
DZMM po pala. Sorry,
Grabe. She now works for DZMM.
DZMM.
You can catch her there doing field reporting and a lot of things, you know? Grabe. Grabe talaga ang tatak AUF.
Yeah,
They
Trisha
hone
Lindo,
you to be the best that you
Ate
are.
Trisha, AUF is very proud of you, and our professors, they talk about you
A lot. They
and
talk
you're a
about
very
great
stellar inspiration for us,
Yes.
Ate Trisha.
Thank you so
kung may
much.
makikita ka pong mangsustok sa'yo,
Kami na yon.
kami na po yun. Yeah.
And of course, a lot of viewers.
Opo.
Diba? For
Volume-wise, yeah.
Volume-wise,
It's
malakas.
an excitement. Yeah, malakas talaga.
Malakas talaga. But it's also
Kapampangan
an
yun
act
eh.
of love.
Yeah, it's out of love.
And equals to love.
Lugod
Kasi
din, lugod.
when Kapampangan gets loud, it means they're engaged.
Yeah, they
Hindi
get
yan
excited.
Boring,
Oo,
diba?
hindi boring.
They care. It's how they show you
Oo.
that you matter.
Tsaka, Robby Tantingko,
Ayan.
mention ulit.
Mention.
Kapampangans, they love the sound of their voices. They love
They
hearing
do.
their...
Kasi it's a really unique
Oo.
language. Lahat naman
Kasi
ng language unique.
Kapampangans is a small group.
Yes.
No? Compare sa ibang
Other,
ethnic
yeah.
groups. So, they'll make their presence known. For
They
sure.
will.
Yeah.
By using their volume. And when
Yeah.
you're outside Pampanga, say in Manila or abroad,
Yeah.
the loudness becomes pride.
Yeah.
When they speak Kapampangan in a crowd, you would actually know that they are Kapampangan because of
Pangans, yeah.
you can spot them easily. They love the sound of their own language. When they
yeah.
hear another Kapampangan speak, oh my gosh, the excitement is
Yeah.
instant.
Yeah.
Nandyan yan.
Oh, ganyan. Ganyan. Now, moving on to our top 3. DJ Rafi?
Top 3. Why don't you give us a gist of top 3? Yeah?
It's something to do with food and being a basher of Kapampangans. But, Kabright Karas, let us watch our top 3 way to spot a Kapampangan.
Gutom na ako. Pagod ako din. Diyos ko, excited na ako.
Oh my gosh, I'm so... Buti na lang nakakain na talaga tayo kasi sobrang pagod ako sa performance natin ngayon. Ay, masarap. Tikman niyo guys.
Oo nga grabe. Gutom na ako.
Tingnan natin.
Sarap! Grabe. Mga pinay, mananok na ako. Diyos ko, may pagal ko kitang performance cam. Manyaman yun eh. Hindi man manyaman. Anong panab yan yun? Diyos ko, nanan kayo kanya. Ano sinasabi mo? Masarap kaya.
Oo nga.
No?
Tapos maasim pa.
Kaya nga.
Anong klaseng
Alam
taste
mo,
buds
para
yan?
sa akin, ito yung perfect na sinigang. Hindi ko alam yung sinasabi mo.
Ito oh. Yung sarap. Ito nga. Try mo ulit.
Tama,
Baka ano
Emax.
ba sinasabi mo kasi?
Pag to, di talaga.
Hindi, try mo nga lang.
Masarap naman eh. Sister, Aliyah talaga maslam. Alayang kalasa-lasa.
Meron kaya.
Ay,
Ang
nanyaman
asim,
pa yung sigaw ko. Ay,
kanin ko ba?
sensya. Pero sister, sasabihin ko kaya ka mas manyaman pa yung sigaw ko kay
O sige, pagluto mo ako, minsan pag hindi masarap yun, delivery mo ako dito ulit
Oo,
ha.
alayang kaaslam-aslam. Ning katanong pa.
Hater ka, no?
Sister, Aliyah.
Welcome back, mga ka-Bright Caras! Now that you've watched the AVP, what is our top 3? Yeah?
Our top 3 is Kapampangans. They turn instantly into a food critic.
You are still with us with top 10 ways
Is to spot a Kapampangan. Yeah, along with
Yes.
DWAU 104.5 and Bright FM.
Let me rephrase that. DWAU 104.1
.1.
FM.
Sorry,
where we
pasensya
give
na po. We're still getting a hang of it.
More than
just music. Ayan. So, speaking of our top 3, Kapampangan's journey into a food critic.
Alam nyo naman, ang
Yeah.
Kapampangan is unofficially the culinary
Capital
capital
of the Philippines. Yeah.
And they kind of take that seriously.
Yeah.
Nagiging si Gordon Ramsay sila.
Gordon Ramsay ba ng Pilipinas?
Yes, chinat
Yeah.
ako ni Gordon Ramsay. Sabi niya,
Sabi niya yun?
daw,
Oo.
masarap daw magluto ang mga Kapampangan.
Oo, narinig ko sinabi
Narinig
niya
mo
yun.
yun?
Oo, na-overhear ko yun.
Diba?
Love that.
Tapos they
diba?
also know how to critique.
Yun yung maganda sa mga Kapampangan. They know how to critic. Kasi nga, food is not, it's not just food. It's like
not.
their identity na eh.
Yes.
Parang nakahalo na sa dugo nila yun.
Kapag sinabi mong Kapampangan,
Oo.
you talk about food instantly.
Yeah.
And when you talk about their food, they become food critics.
Food critic. So,
Diba?
Kapampangans, they tend to dissect, debate, discuss about
That's a lot of
meal.
D.
Oo, D.
Diba?
Triple D.
D
For
to the Q.
DWAU.
Yes,
Yes.
the
So, di ba?
DWAU.
They like to talk about food. Food of other people.
Kapag,
Oo.
kahit na nasa party ka, ng
Oo.
ibang tao, kapag Kapampangan ka, you'd say thank you first, and then, bakit naman maraming betchin?
Oo,
yung
maraming
food. Na-taste ko yung betchin
Yeah.
sa food.
And that's the funny thing is that the Kapampangans know. Like, there's just something about their taste buds na
parang robot.
sobra yung asin, sobra yung betchin, sobra yung magic sarap. Hindi sampalok ginamit, no?
They
Hindi.
know kapag
Oo.
kapag actual sampalok ang
Oo.
ginagawa sa sinagag, sinigang
Oo.
rather,
Oo.
hindi yung powder.
Oo. Like,
Diba?
natatandaan ko nun, no, yung mga tita ko. Mahal na mahal ko po yung mga tita ko. The best po yan. Pero this is just one of their quirks na I just found really entertaining, no, kapag in-invite mo yan sa binyag. Basta kainan. Kakain sila, no?
Yes.
Kakain sila. Uy, dakala salamat na. Inibatan mo kami kening kay mo. Binyag na ning anak mo. Katalikod. Makanya ni pamangan kani. Kataba. Kayo
Aliya
mo.
masarap.
Oo, aliya.
Aliya masarap.
Aliya masarap. Kataba. Kayo mo. Kalat.
Ano pa ba ang
diba?
pwedeng basta maraming ka.
Oo, basta. Yeah, mga taba, mga yumo, malat. Yun, gano-gano, sabienda. Like, they tend to compare their own food with
Parang,
other people's
sandwich
food.
method ba?
Oo, sandwich method.
Like, i-acknowledge
Yeah.
muna nila. Yung of course, yung invitation.
Yung invitation.
And then sasabihin
Acknowledge naman nila eh.
I-acknowledge naman nila.
Oo.
Pero,
may
sasabihin
critic na
pa rin
may
naman.
critic na freebie.
Yes.
Oo.
Ikaw ba naman syempre, kapag nalasahan mo rin yun, meron ka rin namang mga opinions.
Yeah, they give opinions. Kasi there is this research that says na Kapampangans, they feel like due to their culinary mastery, they are
Yes.
entitled to good food.
They are.
But the thing is, every Kapampangan is different. Yung mga ibang Kapampangan, mas gusto nilang mas maalat,
Yeah.
'di ba? So,
Kaya
it's really hard to get their taste, 'di ba?
Napaka vague kasi
Siguro
kapag
yung
sinabi mo.
siguro yung mga pagkain, am I never good enough for you?
I know, right?
Kapalit-palit ba ako? Pagit ba ako? Diba? Like
Yung
sa Soberano, diba?
Yung lasa.
So,
hindi ba?
Offensive din siya sa pagkain. Charot. Di naman.
Paano pa? I mean, for some, it may seem salty. For some, it may seem okay.
Diba?
Pero, syempre, Kapampangan.
Oo.
They have a very wide array of taste buds.
Buds, yeah. They have this...
Parang robot ang mga taste buds nila. Laging alam kung anong kulang, kung anong
sobra. Kasi, din Kapampangan, ela po mag-shortcut. Hindi nag-shortcut
Yes.
yung mga...
Hindi yan gagamit ng powder sa sinigang. Kailangan
minsan
actual
naman
sampalok.
gumagamit. Pero, they use it in a right way naman. Kasi, natatandaan ko nun, yung lola ko, she used to have a karinderya, no?
Wow!
Yeah, it's a very small karinderya.
Is it still there?
No, unfortunately.
I
Yeah,
really
pero
wanna go
tinuloy siya ng tita ko. Nagkakarinderya pa rin yung tita ko.
So, andun pa rin?
Oo, siya yung masarap gumawa ng sisig sa amin.
Parang gusto kong tikman.
Sige, ako bahala sa'yo.
Sige.
Bahala sa'yo. Sasabihin ko sana, ako nagluto nun, pero tita ko talaga, wala, nabunyag na ako, di ba?
Nabunyag na.
She used to have a karinderya. Tapos my parents, or my mom would say na, kahit na mataas na yung bilihin, hindi niya i-shortcut yung mga pagkain, yung babawasan.
Kailangan perfect.
Yung babawasan niya yung ganito, yung ganon. She'll look for an alternative.
Kailangan perfect kasi yan.
Oo, she'll look for an alternative, and that's a lot of thing na that's so admirable sa mga Kapampangans. Diba? Gagawa nila ng paraan.
Yes, kung may kulang,
Oo.
mag-experiment yan. Magiging chemist.
Mag-experiment, lo.
Mag-experiment
And
sila.
kahit nag-experiment sila, masarap pa rin.
Masarap pa.
Di ba?
At hindi ko alam kung ano bang superpowers
Oo.
nila. Pero, you know, when nakapapangan ka.
Oo.
Diba? Let them cook.
Let them cook, sabi nga.
Forever.
Tapos, kaamoy mo ng pagkain. You
my
got
God.
powers. Di ba?
Yes, ang
Gaganon ka
sarap-sarap.
talaga.
Like, you know, if I were to ask you, do you know how to cook? Kasi merong notion na lahat ng kapapangan, they know how to cook.
You know what? I'll throw that question back to you, DJ Rafi. Do you know how to cook?
Well, I would say yes. I can confidently say yes. With a heart.
Yeah, what are the foods that you can cook, DJ Rafi?
I can cook adobo.
Adobo?
Sinigang.
Sinigang.
Ano pa ba?
Puchero.
Menudo.
Puchero.
Now, DJ, a lot of people are asking.
A lot of people,
A lot of people.
Oo.
Kasi yung tita
Dapat
mo.
kasama kapitbahay dyan.
Oo, kasama yung kapitbahay dyan. Kasama,
Siping bale.
Kasama lahat.
Oo.
Yung tita mo kasi, marunong magluto.
Oo.
Namana mo ba?
Oo naman.
Anong
Ako
alam?
pa?
Ikaw pa.
Oh, sige,
Ang
ako.
galing Perfect.
Complicated kasi yung mga alam kong iluto eh.
Ano yan?
Itlog.
Itlog! Paano yan? Anong luto yan?
Boiled egg, sunny side up, omelette, scrambled. Yung omelette, nakahiwalay yung laman. Hindi ko sinasadya. Bigla lang nahihiwalay. Umaalsay eh.
Ay,
Oo.
yan ang gusto kong itlog.
Tanungin mo pa, ano pang alam ko iluto?
Ano pang alam mo?
Marami
Alam
yan.
mo?
Tender juicy hotdog.
You know?
Steamed, fried, small hotdog na nilalagay ng nanay ko sa...
Spaghetti?
Spaghetti. Oo, yun lang yung ambag
Masarap
ko doon
yun.
eh. Oo.
Pinaprito ba ang hotdog sa spaghetti?
Ang alam ko, yung iba, pero yung iba binuboil lang. But you know what? As much as I want to delve on the
That,
spaghettis,
why don't we delve on to
our top two, ayan.
Why don't we watch it for a gist? You know, I
Yeah.
really want to know about it.
Grabe oh, tignan mo, ang dami nang may sakit sa atin.
Nyapin eh. Naawa na nga ako eh. Rugo.
Ako din naawa ako.
Naawa ka na? Ba't di ka pa check up?
Malamang maawa ako, nakakalungkot kaya may sakit.
Naawa, ibig ko sabihin, miyawa na ako. Yako din.
Ha?
Diyos ko, ne?
Guys, gutom na ako. Buti na lang ako may free delivery.
Tapos ko eh, perfect. Hungry na ako.
Tama.
Ha? Ba't ka galit?
Ano galit? Sino galit?
Ikaw, saan mo hindi ka?
Wala akong sinabing galit ako.
Yun ang narinig mo, diba?
Ang ibig niya sabihin, gutom na siya.
Hungry. Ba't di mo kasi nilagyan ng age?
Ayan gano'n naman eh. Kinu-question mo na naman yung kapampangan na accent ko. Rugo?
Ay, basta gutom tayo na, okay?
Tara na.
You are still listening to DWAU 104.1 FM, where we give you
more than just music. You know?
Now,
Sultry.
down with our top 2. Ano ba yung top 2, Aya?
Top 2?
Yes,
Top
darling.
2 saan?
Top 2 dito.
Sa top 10 ways to spot a Kapampangan.
Kapampangan.
Alright, so our top 2 on our list is actually Kapampangans and their use of what, DJ Rafi?
Bute.
Anong bute?
Kapampangans and their use of bute.
Bute? Like
Yeah.
bote?
Bote?
Pet batas? Hindi. Bute. Tell us about more on that, DJ Rafi.
In Tagalog, kasi bute means good. Diba?
Yeah.
Like, bute pa siya, may time, bute pa siya, ganyan,
Oo.
or what.
Diba?
Buti na lang hindi umuulan.
Mm-mm.
But for us, Kapampangans, well, it differs on the
Oo.
show.
Yeah.
Bute actually means bakit.
Bakit?
Diba?
Diba?
It doesn't mean good at all, diba?
Oo.
Diba? Parang, bakit?
Imagine, pinuntahan mo yung ex mo for
Ay.
closure.
Ay.
Tatanong mo sana, bakit mo ko iniwan? Buti iniwan mo ko.
So,
Diba?
masaya ka pa?
Oo, nainiwan ka
ka?
niya. O, nakadodge ka ng bullet doon.
Yes.
Diba?
Did I really dodge a bullet?
Bullet,
or just
diba?
lost the love of my life?
So,
Oh my God.
ay, iba na,
Iba
sa
na
ano na
yun.
yata yan
Iba na
Ibang
yun.
program na yata ng DWAU mo dapat sinasabi yan
I am.
Anyway, so it's actually, it's very funny, no? Kapampangans and their use of bute. Kasi ako, hindi ko man namamalayan, but I do use bute a lot.
Actually though, like
Oo.
I don't speak 100%
Kapanga.
Actually, baka 1% nga lang eh.
Ba, 0.5 eh.
Yung bute,
Oo.
nakuha ko yon.
Saan?
Sa mga kapampangan.
Oh, di ba?
Of course.
Of course.
Usually, I would ask, bakit namatay yung lola mo?
Oh my gosh.
Pero I ended up saying, buti namatay yung lola mo.
Oh my gosh.
Like, oh my God, I am so
Oh my
sorry.
gosh.
I
Di ba?
did not mean it that well.
The language barrier is
Yes,
crazy.
It is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are still here with Bright FM.
Yeah.
DWBL 91.9 FM.
And mga ka-Bright Kadas.
Yes!
And speaking of bute, alam mo, one of the funny situations
Yes,
that I've
darling.
been in is
Ano
yung
ba yan?
skit natin kanina, it
Oh,
actually
yes.
happened in real life.
Yeah, actually.
Nung LM, no? LM pa lang to, pero may love life na yung mga iba kong classmate, no?
Wow!
LM!
LM!
Oo.
Nung LM ako.
Gumagawa ko slime.
Diba? Like, nagpo-fold down ng papel.
Ay, wow. Ay, wow. Origami yung sa'yo, sa akin slime. O, sige.
Ano ginagawa ng mga classmate mo?
Parang yata nag-break sila ng ka-MU niya.
Wow.
Oo. Tapos sabi nung kaibigan kong magaling-galing, buti hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Lalong umiyak. Lalong umiyak.
Sino bang iiyak? Hindi
Diba?
kapampangan ang nakarinig.
Kasi yung classmate ko yung yata, she was from Manila.
Oh.
She was from Manila. So, hindi niya naintindihan.
Hindi niya naintindihan.
Kaming gawang bata, hindi naman namin alam paano explain sa kanya.
Diba?
So,
galing kasing Pampanga. They're like very native.
yeah, buti.
Tapos, yung nakarinig from Manila.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba namang sabihan ng buti na, buti nag-break kayo?
Buti namatay.
Why are you happy na nag-break
Diba?
kami? If I were that kid.
Yeah. Mga ka-Bright Kadas, if you, that buti was actually,
from a research I read about like,
yeah.
a day ago, 2 days ago, like, the stereotypical ways to spot a kapampangan.
Yeah, kasi ang daming nagre-resurface na mga reels about that eh,
Yes,
yung buti.
Even reels.
Yeah.
Kapag kapampangan ang topic, laging nandyan yung term na buti.
Oo, to the point na it reached the Reddit discussion
Exactly.
on the internet. I read about that.
Yes. Wow.
Grabe, I don't want to say goodbye yet to our ka-Bright Kadas, but I feel like they're getting excited to see their top one.
Yes!
Ayun.
Sino bang hindi ma-excite?
Yeah.
You guys should, why don't we go to the commercial first? And then later, we can talk about top one.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't wanna say it's over
That song was brought to you by DWAU 104.1, where we bring you more than just music.
Action.
Here at AF, our theater program for the Bachelor of Arts in Communication specializes in theater media, ranging from production, creative broadcasting, and journalistic writing.
Todd, ready for another take?
Okay, so, commercial scene 1, take 2.
kami ng jowa ko eh.
Hindi, ibig sabihin kasi nung buti sa Kapampangan, bakit? Sorry ah. O, ba't kayo nag-break? Ano?
Gusto niya rin yung kuya ko, te.
Kuya mo? Ano kuya mo?
Nagbabalik ang Brighton Reloaded Campus Edition.
Ayan.
You guys are still tuned into DWAU
AU
104.1
104.1
FM along with Bright FM.
Ayan.
What is our topic, DJ Aye?
Our topic is top 10 ways to spot a Kapampangan, with our top 1 being
Age doesn't
matter. Ayan.
Yes. You know, I swear, even Google Translate,
Oo.
hindi niya malalaman na, kung wari, nagpa-translate ka ng using your voice
Oo.
with a kampapangan
Oo,
word, ganon. Hindi niya magagets yan.
Oo. Actually, this was pointed out by the same article Robbie Tantinko published na if we can notice sa language ng Kapampangans, there's very little to no age.
Yes!
Diba?
Actually, you don't ask why.
Why?
Age isn't
there. Yes.
Grabe.
So, kasi the Kapampangans, they tend to swap the age with Y
Or
and
W.
W.
Yes,
Yeah.
lagi yan. I mean,
Diba?
kung mga Tagalog hindi
Oo.
marunong hindi magaling
Kapampangan.
magkapampangan, yung mga Kapampangan din, they're also lacking
In
sa mga
Tagalog. Mahahalata nyo naman kasi
paano ba, DJ Aya?
imbis na anong trabaho mo? Anong trabaho mo?
Trabaho.
Diba? Trabaho.
Trabaho.
Tapos, one of the funny things that my mom did
Yes.
about this is that umuwi yung pinsan ko.
Oh.
Galing Dubai.
Oh.
May balikbayan box.
May balikbayan box.
In-unboxing.
Anong laman ng balikbayan box?
Samut-sari. Siyempre, may tsinelas dyan.
Oy, anong tsinelas yon?
Tinanong ng nanay ko,
Ano
Nanya brand, Nanya Tatak, ano daw brand?
Anong brand?
Sabi ko, Ma, Havaianas.
Oh.
Nanya, sabi ng nanay ko.
Havaianas?
Ma, Havaianas. Bayanas, masanting yan, matibay yan.
Abayanas? Walang age.
Bala ko sa bayabasing sasabihan.
Bayabas!
Abayanas.
Grabe ba?
Diba? Tapos, kapag nagtagalog.
I might try and use that. Parang it's really, really
Abayanas,
good
yeah.
to hear.
Yeah.
Abayanas.
Abayanas.
Hindi siya Havaianas, guys.
Diba? You're
We are
foreigner.
rebranding. We're rebranding Havaianas.
Yeah.
Mas gusto ko
Abayanas. Mas, siya, inclusive, guys.
Diba? Now imagine, a Kapampangan trying to speak super formal Tagalog, diba? Like, may trabaho ako sa Manila.
Trabaho.
Like, trabaho.
Trabaho.
May trabaho ako sa Manila.
Tapos,
Ganun siya.
ay, grabe, pumunta akong LRT, ang daming tawo.
Tawo?
Tawo.
Ang daming tawo.
Tawo.
Lagi naman maraming tawo sa
Oo.
MRT, Manila,
Oo.
everywhere. Di ba magigets nyo naman?
Oo.
Yung lacking ng age talaga.
Yeah.
Sa mga sinasabi namin.
Yeah, that's also one of the most popular na ginagawa ng
Yes.
mga skits or
Makikita
parody
nyo,
sa
yung top 2 na yan,
Oo.
yung age doesn't
It matter.
matter, and also yung their use of bute instead of
Oo.
bakit.
sa yung instead of maanghang, maang-ang. Maang-ang yakano.
Ano
Diba?
yung, like, kung hindi ka talaga marunong magkapampangan, ano yung maang-ang?
Maang-ang, di ba?
Ang daming A
ang
nun.
yung sa airbender, si Ang ba yan?
Grabe.
Di ba, maang-ang?
Like, ang dami namang A nun. Like, tuloy-tuloy na A.
Pero, you know what, DJ Rafi? Sometimes, me too, I subconsciously remove the age. Hindi ko lang talaga napapansin. But it's there.
Hindi ko pa naman na-try kasi
Hindi mo pa
hindi ko
na-try?
na-try. Pero,
Okay.
pero yeah, complete pa naman ang aking alphabets. But like, you know, it's really sad to see you guys go. Yes.
Yeah, I was really having a hard time. Fun time, mga ka-Bright Kadas, along with my snappy and classy and happy
DJ Rafi!
Yeah, DJ Rafi, di ba?
Yes, at bago kami tuloy magpaalam, nais namin pasalamatan kayong lahat
Yeah.
sa pagsubaybay ng aming episode
Yeah.
10.
Right.
Before we let you guys go, we'd like to give a huge thank
Thank you.
of course, to our ever-loving professors from Angeles University Foundation, especially to that of the AB
Comm
Communication
Department.
Department. We have Sir John Mark Guda, Ma'am Dame Avelino, and of course,
The mother
of
of communication,
Ma'am Christina Reyes.
All right.
Yes.
And we'd also like to recognize, of course, DWAU 104.1 FM, the official radio station of Angeles University Foundation, and simulcast on DWBL 91.9 Bright FM. Kasama na din ang samahan ng mga mag-aaral sa komunikasyon o sa MASCOM headed by Kuya Rafael Milano Ponce and all the other schools that are part of the Pampanga Association of Communication Students. And also, we'd like to
Give a huge
big
shout out sa aming AB Communication
1A.
What do we call them? DJ?
Mga kapekis.
If si Bea Bores, meron ka mga kapetis.
Kapetis.
We have mga kapekis.
So, Naomi Manuntag. I love you,
so much
girl.
for the term.
Yan. Yeah.
We also would like to
Kent
thank
Lapus.
Kent Lapus, our technical application director.
Yeah.
Yes, Kent.
Soon, siya naman po yung makikita nyo dito, mga ka-Bright Caras. You'll get to meet Harry Styles of AB Communication.
Yes,
Ayan.
ang pogi-pogi.
Pogi-pogi niyan.
Hindi ko alam bakit single pa siya.
In Kapampangan, naneng kaparas.
Kaparas! And for all the hopeless romantics and thrill seekers out there, if you love a mix of kilig and kabag on air, make sure to check out DWAU 104.1 FM's podcast, produced in partnership with Angeles University Foundation's second-year communication students. I am sure you don't want to miss that out. And don't forget, really, to tune in.
And
Grabe.
also, dahil nga
influenza season.
Yeah, influenza. Ang daming nagsuspend ng klase.
Grabe, 2 weeks.
Paalala lamang po mga ka-Bright Caras, don't forget to bring a face mask, alcohol, sanitizer, because it's better safe than sorry.
That's a wrap. Big thanks to 91.9 Bright FM Pamcom 2 for giving us this amazing platform to share our voices and thoughts on air.
Alright, maraming salamat mga ka-Bright Caras for tuning in, and we invite you to join again in future episodes, DJ Rafi.
That is every Fridays 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. because we've got more conversations, more laughter, and more meaningful stories coming your way dito lang sa radyo ng Archdiocese ng San Fernando, Pampanga, DWBL 91.9 Bright FM. Once again, this is your happy and snappy DJ, always keeping it classy.
And this
DJ
is
Rafi.
Oh, I'm so sorry, DJ Rafi. And this is your Friday buddy, DJ Aye, and you've been listening to 91.9 Bright FM
and DWAU 104.1 FM,
your countdown of information for everyone.